So here's favorited app is I see is just going to the charts and in the lifestyle category in the iOS apps. So let's just take the look at it. It's built by Like Labs and it's getting some nice traction on TikTok. So you've been invited, live streams for you, more than just video, moments you will never forget. Find your community. So this app lets you go live and interact with your audience in a way you never imagined possible. Go live and build your following, watch highly engaging live streams, interact with your favorite creators. So pretty good reviews. Well, pick a username. So then you can just reserve your username. All right, so whatever. So you can allow notifications.
Let's beat them. Let's beat them. Do you know what I loved in New York?
And that's what it is. So then you can discover different feeds. So, and then you have activity. There is your profile. You have followers, you have streak. Keep your streak up by opening the app every day and win prizes. Get coins. And then there are in top rankings people. So there aren't that many views here, but this is one of those apps which will be alternative to TikTok because seems TikTok is eventually going out of US because TikTok lost some court rulings and seems actually TikTok is gonna be banned in US quite soon. So there are a lot of new alternative apps and I really encourage you to register here just as an alternative. So that's the overview.